better. All right, kids. Well, we didn't get anything close to what we wanted to get done this weekend done. The rain rolled in, kind of sleeting, put just a damper on everything. But I guess we got a little progress made. I mean, we got some stuff cleaned up. We sliced up a log for one of the neighbors that he wanted cut up. I got an idea of what I'm going to do for the conveyor. I think I'm going to take the pieces back to my shop and work on them a little bit this week, maybe if I remember. And maybe next weekend we'll get to the conveyor and we'll do the move the bell saw too. But I got the lights up here. Oh, I'll give these things a little try, see what you guys think. I'm going to get a couple more strands and do a little better battery setup. Maybe. Oh. Look at that. Right here off the Milwaukee battery. That easy. So those these here are 12 to 48 volt light bulbs. So the 18 volt Milwaukee battery works out good. So that's my plan, is I'm going to do, I think, 2 more strands of them. One down there, one kind of back here. Maybe wire them all together and then into a switch, and maybe just have something I can kind of click a battery into and flip a switch and we got lights. But I think that's be about it for this weekend. Like I said, the rain rolled in. Again, I better roll. I got to get up there and get the camera set up and all kinds of excitement. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one.